I love Bloody Marys, but it's a little bit cool outside right now. So I've got the best solution, a Bloody Mary soup, and you can make it so easily with almost everything that you already probably have in your kitchen. So let's get started. Start with a stock pot that's going to be big enough to hold all of your ingredients. You've got a little bit of olive oil that you've put in the bottom because we're going to take the celery, onions, garlic, thyme, celery salt, and black pepper and drop it right in to hot. You can hear it. It's so fun. It's my favorite sound. And you're just going to brown this because that's going to add flavor to the vegetables and to your soup. You see how it's turning up nice and golden. And here we have the color we're looking for. Nice and browning. And now I'm going to be adding the vodka now. We're going to deglaze this pan. It picks up all those beautiful brown bits. And it's just going to add all that flavor right into the soup. The vodka takes it right up and into the vegetables. It adds all of that beautiful brown goodness back in for the flavor of your soup. And in the meantime, you're cooking off the alcohol. So that works. You're just going to have the flavor of the vodka left. And now I'm ready to add all of the rest of the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add the beef stock, the spicy V8, the Worcestershire, and we're also going to add this 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. Juice and all, straight in, because as this cooks down, we've got to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to bring it back down to a simmer. And it's got to cook for about 40-45 minutes because this is when you want it to thicken. So we'll be back when it's just the right consistency. This has been simmering on the stove probably a good 45-50 minutes. You want to make sure that this is all really cooking down. I've added some of the horseradish as it's been cooking. Don't worry about these tomatoes breaking down because we're going to take our immersion blender and we're going to blend it smooth so we can drink it in cups because, you know, it's soup. Smells fabulous. So I'm going to take my immersion blender, put it in the soup, and hopefully I won't get splattered, okay? Here goes. And I'm not. Oh, let's turn it up. Be sure that you put the immersion blender on the tomatoes so that they will break up. But you can see how it's just starting to thicken up. And we're ready to go now. I'm sorry, this looks delicious. And seriously, if you just add some grilled cheese bites, you've got tomato soup and grilled cheese. And then the trick is, for those of us that like vodka, a shot of vodka poured right on top, and you're good to go. Now you've got yourself a party. Enjoy.